morning students. I am Nalge ma'am from Shri Shivaji Vidya Mandir, Aundh. So today we will start the new chapter, that is a 15 number, biodiversity, conservation and environmental issues. So first of all we see the what is the exactly biodiversity. Biodiversity is the total variety of a nature. That means in the biodiversity, all types of organisms, all types of plants, animals are viruses or bacteria are included. They have a different shape, size and color combination. So each and every microorganism or individual which is present in our environment which is different from each other, and it has a various types of variety. It is called as a biodiversity. Okay, so there are some levels of a biodiversity. What is the exactly levels? That means level which are compared from molecular to ecosystem level. That means their species diversity, genetic diversity and ecosystem diversity. So we'll see the one by one. First is the genetic diversity. Okay, so what is the genetic diversity? Genetic diversity is the intraspecific diversity. There we have already learned the two types of intraspecific and interspecific. So what do you mean by intraspecific and interspecific? Intraspecific means same species and interspecific means different species. So in genetic diversity we will see the intraspecific diversity. So what is the intra? Intra is the same species. Okay, so that means in this diversity all type of same species or genes or alleles are included. Okay, so in various population there is a variety of a diversity. Variety of diversity means there are various types of a species of the particular plant, particular animal or organism. Okay, so genetic diversity means in human we know that genetic combinations are there. That means if mother has any disease, it get passed through the daughter or their son or their second or third generation. Like that in also plant or animal or other diversity or in genetic combination also included. So if the plant has a yellow color, that means their next generation will also have a yellow color. Okay, and if there is a opuntia, that means there is a opuntia, that means cactus which is present in a desert area. It has adaptation to live in a desert area. Like that their future individuals also same adaptation to live in a desert area. Okay, so this is the genetic diversity, and this genetic diversity is very important for the healthy breeding population of a species. That means if the first generation is properly arranged for the genes, so next generation will be set properly. So that's why this genetic diversity is so important. So next we will see the species diversity. So in the species diversity, this is the interspecific diversity. That means a different type of a species which are vary from each other. So it will include plants also and animals also, and also geographical area. Like that in a genetic diversity I have given the example of a desert area. So now we'll take the aquatic area and aquatic region and snow region. Okay, so who is living in a aquatic area, they are not adapted for the snowy region, and that animal which is living in a snowy region are not adapted to live in a aquatic region. Why it is like that? Because each and every animal or a plant have their own adaptations to live in a particular area. So species diversity specifically have a variety of species. That means species which are different from each other, but they have a different structure, different shape, different size. Okay, and which is always observed in a variety of regions. That means a different type of a geographical area. So here amphibian species diversity is given, which is present in the Western Ghat. Okay, and in Eastern Ghat there is a no more diversity. That means there is a high diversity which is present in a Western Ghat. Like that, if one species is present and it is always present in a particular area like Western and Eastern Ghat, so it is the species diversity. And now we see the third diversity. It is called as ecological diversity. That is the ecosystem diversity. So what is the exactly ecosystem diversity? That means in the ecosystem there are different types of habitats or ecosystem are present, which is present in the geographical area. So if there is a specific geographical area, in that specific animals or plants also present, like desert area, rain forest area, grassland area, wetland area, etc. Okay, so ecological system means all types of area, geographical area are included. Suppose in a Western Ghat there is a variety of ecosystem. That is a different types of plants, animals are included in a Western Ghat. Okay, like Ladakh and run of Kutch do not show any variance. Like you, so Ladakh, in the Ladakh there will be a animals or plants which is already adapted to in a snowy region, or a run of Kutch, that means it is a desert area. So the animals or plants or any other organism, virus, fungus, bacteria will have that adaptation who can live in a desert. Okay, so the diversity of the all ecosystem or all individuals have a three levels, like genetic diversity, species diversity, and ecological diversity. Okay, got it?